Okay, so we're back and we're going to now do what?
Take the tart out and see what's happened.
Okay.
See what's happened. And the key thing to remember, and the mistake I made many times, is this bit is easy because you know it's been in the oven.
Right.
The frying pan.
Right.
And there we are.
Be careful with that handle.
Yeah, well, now you leave it here. Mm-hmm. What I've done in the past, we'll just leave it there to cool for a minute or two. Mm-hmm. As I've done that, mm-hmm. I've distracted myself, and then I've gone back like that, and it's...
You can't touch it.
You can't touch it.
Because that's hot.
That's very hot, so I tend to just leave the glove on it.
So you remember.
So I remember. And
that's a good tip.
We just leave that, we don't want it to set, we don't want it to cool down, but we just leave it for a minute or so, mm-hmm. just till it settles, then we'll turn it out onto the plate. Mm-hmm. And the key thing here, because hot caramelized sugar mm-hmm. is nasty stuff.
You don't want that on your arm.
You don't actually want that on the arm.
It's like acid.
Exactly. So as a precaution, I'll put over my arm.
If you didn't like somebody, you could always boil up some hot caramelized sugar to throw in their face.
Yes, you could. Yeah. That would not be very sporting, would it?
No, it wouldn't be very sporting. It's not cricket, that's for sure.
Or quite still loose. Because if you leave it to cool and set, you'll never get it out of the pan. Mm. But that seems actually not too bad.
And you flip it out? No, because you just got to come out like that's the top. It's got to come out like that, right?
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Oh, that's the bottom. So you're going to flip it.
You're going to flip it.
You're going to flip it. You ready to flip it?
I think so.
You ready? You need some assistance? No,
no.
You do this all the time.
Well, not all the time, but you do something like that, and then you've just got to be confident. You've just got to actually do it.
Okay.
Pick it up, and off you go.
Yeah, just be confident. Holy goodness gracious.
And there you have...
That's amazing.
There we have a tart tatin.
That is amazing. Put this over here.
I'll bring it up to the table. Yeah,
Can you put it on the table?
Yeah, I mean, it's quite okay. So it's the pan. I'll just
I feel like I've done something today.
I'll just leave that.
And I haven't done anything except watch.
Yeah, but that is more or less a tart tatin.
That is incredible. You're going to make some lucky woman a wonderful wife.
Yeah. I mean, it could have been. You know, I've noticed because it's in the oven at a slant, not in the centre. It tends on sometimes it just gets a bit overdone on one side. Mm-hmm. Would you like to try it?
I would very much. That's what I'm waiting for.
You're waiting for
this is the good part. The only reason I did this was so I could get a free piece of pie at the end. I'm saving money.
A piece of pie at the end.
Mm-hmm. Saving money.
There was a request that people wanted to see this food actually being eaten. Mm-hmm. So there we are.
Okay.
So.
Very good.
Let's cut into that.
Meanwhile, them rolls are rising. Fantastic. That's super. It's going to be hot, but I'm going to try it.
Ideally, you would eat it hot.
I'm going to try it. I hope this caramelized sugar doesn't kill me. Oh, it's a bit hot.
Woo! It will be just out of the oven.
Amazing. The caramelized sugar makes a big difference.
Yeah, but the other stuff, the star anise, the vanilla, the Calvados, the cinnamon.
It's really good, folks.
You don't really need it, but it just, you think on television, we'll just tart it up a bit. A tarted up tart.
Nicholas, wonderful. After the bumper, we'll come back and we'll see the rolls and finish our, let us finish our pie.
Now, this is good, even though I say so myself.
Okay, everybody, welcome back. I am trying very hard not to sink my whole face into this beautiful pie. It's incredible. I would have thought that, if we didn't have ladies in the world, we'd have no pies. But as long as we got you and guys like you, even if there were no ladies, we'd still have pies.
We'd still have pie.
Yeah, we'd still have pie. Now, we're waiting now for the pièce de la résistance.
Well, that's a pièce de la résistance.
That's it. Okay, then what are the rolls? Chopped liver?
They're just, day-to-day sustenance.
Day-to-day sustenance, okay.
Right, I think we get them out.
Let's get them out. Yeah, they should be ready.
They should be ready. And there we...
Oh, my goodness.
There we are.
Oh, boy. That looks amazing.
Beautiful rolls.
Now look at this. The ones you redid,
You see, if they are
they're more
just,
compact.
and they're rounder. They're just a bit rounder.
They're more compact.
But
too.
these are lovely.
They all look good. This looks just like I used to. What's that bakery that you go to in UK that has the Baps? You know, these look like Baps to me.
Great.
Are these Baps?
Well, they're more Bappish, aren't they? That was the point I was trying to illustrate.
Yeah.
So I need another glove, probably.
Yeah.
So I don't burn myself.
And so we get into this. So in this series we have come to Nick's, the kitchen where Nick makes Nick's nosh? Nikki's nosh?
Nico's nosh, I think.
Nico's nosh, right. Nico's nosh. There's something Greek about that. Are you part Greek like
No,
Prince
but
Philip?
but it just seemed a good, you know.
Because Prince Charles is part Greek. That may be why you can do the accent. No, nothing to do with that.
So.
Okay. Anyway, those are the rolls. That's what's left of the pie. You see, we almost ate half of it because, let's face it, we're greedy. We're greedy. That's it. Anyway, it's all very tasty. Can we slice one of those, put some cheese in there? It'd be good, wouldn't it? Yeah, let's do that. Thank you for watching. This has been Nicholas Richardson making
Tart tatin and soft white bread rolls.
Yeah. And would you like to say anything to your fans?
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Really, it wouldn't be the same without you. Some of you were mad enough to say you wanted to see me in the kitchen cooking. So at least one of your life's ambitions has been realised. And maybe we'll do this again if they'll have me back in front of the camera.
Might do it again.
Poland Daily Travel, Cookery Edition.
Do it again. Cookery Edition.
Cookery Edition.
I never thought I would be doing this.
No,
it's your fault.
Oh well.
Usually I'm tramping around looking at castles.
Exactly.
Talking to beautiful women on the beach.
Well, I'm sorry I got in the way.
Or in the park.
I'm sure I got in the way.
But this was fun.
I
really enjoyed it. We'll do it again. Nick, thank you very much. It's been a great pleasure.
Thank you.
And I can't wait to put some cheese in one of those and just eat it down.
Yeah, because they're very nice. You just see how
beautiful.
soft they are. That lovely soft.
See you next time. Hey,
Beautiful.
Poland Daily Travel. Like us on YouTube. Hit the bell. Subscribe. Do all of those things. Come on, come on, come on. We're doing it for you. Nick's doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. That's why we're here. If you don't watch, if you don't subscribe, then why are we doing it? And if you want to learn to cook great, we're going to put all these episodes into one longer piece so that you can see the whole process in one fell swoop on YouTube. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time.